Naniniwala ka? Magugulat kami.
Oh, yay! Malaka is coming. Here we go again. Mukhang meron tayong cake today because Malaka is here again.
Yeah. So, anong gagawin niyo guys?
Umorder na kayo. Wow, two-tier cake.
Wow, laki niya, no?
Laki ah. Perfect. Meron din siyang number cake.
Yes, cupcakes. And two-tier round cake. Wow, laki niyan guys, promise. Murang-mura lang yan sa amin, promise guys.
Guys,
Ano? Kotse. Okay, say bye, Palaka.